Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and getting to the retractor. First, remove the plastic trim. There are typically 3-4 fasteners and hidden clips. Keep each screw labeled so you can reinstall in order. Once the trim is off, inspect the retractor and belt for frays or foreign objects, and photograph the belt routing now so you don't guess later. You're doing this to avoid reassembly errors and to spot a simple jam or contamination before disassembly. You now free a jammed retractor step by step. First, release tension by depressing the latch and slowly pulling the belt to find the catch point. This tells you where the spool is stuck. Once located, remove debris with compressed air and a soft brush and inspect the return spring for kinks. Straighten gently if needed. After cleaning, apply a light silicone spray to pivot points, making sure not to get lubricant on the belt webbing. This restores smooth rewind and prevents slippage. You finish by reassembling and testing methodically. Reinstall trim and fasteners in the labeled order and tighten to the manufacturer's torque if available. This prevents rattles and misalignment. Once reassembled, test by slowly pulling the belt out several times, then perform a firm, quick jerk to confirm the locking mechanism engages. Make sure it fully rewinds every time. If the belt still hesitates or the spring feels weak, replace the retractor assembly. This is the common, final fix when cleaning won't help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.